Hello content creators, welcome to S&T Vlogs. So, few of you guys reached out to me asking how are you able to do subtitles for every video that I upload. It is a few step process, so I thought of doing a small tutorial that will help you guys. Definitely this is not a manual process. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically get your subtitles done for the videos that you have uploaded. Go to google.com,
search for black hole, and then click the URL. It will bring you to a page like this. This plugin is completely free of cost. All you have to do is sign up with your email address. Once you sign up, you should receive an email just like this. Click the URL in the email and download the plugin using either of these options. I have gone with 16CH, which has worked very well in terms of recording, so you can do the same. Follow the on-screen instructions and then install the plugin. Open Audio MIDI setup. Scroll all the way down. So now we are going to create something called aggregated device. As you can see, since you have installed the plugin, you should be having an option for black hole. But before we do that, we are going to rename it just like screen recording. Select built-in microphone as your first option and then select black hole as your second option. So this is the order in which your system will understand what is the internal audio it has to listen to. Also, please don't change the sample rate, leave it at 44.1, which is a default setting. So step 1, step 2, done only once. Now, the important process just before we auto-generate our subtitle is to select sound, go to output option and select black hole. Do the same for input option as well.
go to google.com, search for Google Docs. If you have already installed Google Docs onto your system, you can definitely open it up. Or if you don't, you can go through google.com. So open the Google Docs, it's basically a Word document, and click Tools option. Now you should be able to see an option called Voice Typing. Select Voice Typing. Now you are ready to automatically generate your subtitle. But before that, you should start playing your video on a different tab in the same browser. So open another tab, select the video that you want the subtitle for.
Now play the video and then go back to your Google Docs and click the microphone icon.
This video is for every new YouTuber out there. You guys are not alone. Hello content creators, how are you guys doing? Welcome. Now basically, if you go back to the tab which has Google Docs, you should be able to see that Google is automatically generating your subtitles as the video is playing on the other tab.
If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. So once the video is done, you just have to copy the content from Google Docs onto a text pad and save it as .txt.
So go to your video, click edit on the YouTube Studio, and then you can upload this SRT file as your subtitle. Or the other option you can do is click the type manually option, copy the entire subtitle and just paste it. The magic happens behind the scenes where YouTube automatically identifies your voice and maps it with the subtitle. All you have to do is just say publish, and within few minutes time you should be able to see your subtitles on the YouTube video. This is how you auto generate those subtitles, but I definitely have to caution you, at the very end please do a complete review of the auto generated subtitles. Sometimes Google might misspell some of your words, so it is always better to do a review before you start using the subtitle. Last thing, of course your video is going to be played across the globe, right? So say if you're doing your video in English, but there are a lot of people who might be seeing your video doesn't understand English. So it is very important that you publish your subtitles in other languages which are frequently used by your viewers. How to identify this? You can go to the subtitles option. In that, the YouTube will definitely show you like how many percentage of users are seeing what language. Click add language. And then you just have to say auto translate. YouTube automatically translates your current English subtitle to the language that you have selected. Cool, right? So definitely it's a good option that you can do for all your viewers who are watching your video on a different language. That's it, my friends. So I know it's like a couple of steps, but definitely trust me, it is a very easy process the moment you install the plugin and then know how to auto generate and then upload it into YouTube. It will become like a regular process for all your future videos. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified in the future. Until next time, see ya.